Because there's this opposites relationship between addition and subtraction, sometimes a story problem might give a subtraction clue word, and the operation really is addition. Or in the case of multiplication and division, the clue words might be exactly the same. You might have sets in the division and sets with multiplication. Or the clue might be rows in division, but rows is also a multiplication word. Each is repeated in division and multiplication. And lastly, both division and multiplication sometimes refer to groups. How's a person to know? The concept you must remember is that the relationship between the large and small numbers of the problem actually help you determine whether you're looking for a large or small answer. So let me go back to this one more time because it's just crucially important. When you add, you take two small numbers and you're expecting a large answer. Subtraction starts with the large number, subtracts off a smaller number, and the answer is a small number compared to the starting point. With multiplication, we have two small numbers that are multiplied together, and your child will be expecting a large answer. Division, just the opposite. Your child will start with the largest number and divide in order to get a small answer. Let's say the clue word in the story problem is sets. It could be either a multiplication or a division problem. Analyzing the other numbers that are in the problem can give your child a clue as to whether he thinks that he needs to go higher, expecting a higher answer, or perhaps start out with that as the starting point in a division problem. It can be a little tricky for your child, especially when the problem uses clue words that could function either in multiplication or division, or for that matter, subtraction or addition to a lesser degree. But after your child gets some experience with this and trains himself or herself to think of the way that a problem is actually set up, and whether or not they're looking for a larger or a smaller answer compared to the other numbers that are in the problem, it usually works out well. And your child will gain experience with these, and it will probably not be as frightening as story problems seem to be to most children.